Planets adapt instantly, civilizations do not. This gap is the central risk facing Earth. Human systems were designed for stability, not rapid planetary change. Governments plan in election cycles. Corporations plan in quarters. Cultures plan in generations. Earth operates on energy gradients and feedback loops. When planetary conditions shift, human systems respond too slowly to matter. This delay creates cascading failure. Infrastructure is built for old climates. Food systems rely on predictable seasons. Coastal cities assume stable sea levels. None of those assumptions remain valid. This is not a failure of intelligence. It is a failure of alignment. Human systems evolved to manage societies, not planets. That mismatch is now visible everywhere. Restoration cannot be delegated to existing structures alone. New frameworks must operate at planetary scale, across decades, beyond borders. This does not require abandoning civilization. It requires upgrading it. Earth restoration is not an environmental movement. It is a systems correction. The longer alignment is delayed, the more abrupt the correction will be.